Struggling to keep a tight grip on your business finances? Do you ever find yourself at the end of the month, scratching your head and wondering where all the money went? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. It's a common challenge for small businesses and freelancers, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to dive into how you can take control of your spending and make expense tracking a breeze, all with the help of a powerful tool you might already have, your Tide business account. Most of us know Tide is a brilliant way to handle our day-to-day banking, but its features go way beyond that. It's a complete financial toolkit designed to simplify your life. One of its most powerful, yet often underutilized, features is its built-in expense tracking. So let's walk through exactly how you can use it to your advantage. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Every time you make a purchase using your Tide card, the transaction is automatically logged in your account. That's the foundation. Now, here's where you can add another layer of control. After a transaction, you can immediately add a note or a category to it. For example, if you just bought some new software, you can tag it as software or office supplies. This is crucial because it helps you see exactly what you're spending on at a glance. But it gets even better. Tide allows you to upload receipts directly to a transaction. You simply snap a picture of the receipt with your phone and attach it. This is a game changer for a few reasons. 1. It keeps everything organized and in one place, so you don't have to deal with a shoebox full of crumpled paper. 2. It makes tax time so much easier because all your documentation is ready to go. No more frantic searching for receipts when you need them most. So, how do you see all this data in a way that actually helps you? In your Tide app, you'll find a section dedicated to your expenses. Here, you can filter your spending by category, date, or even by a specific supplier. Imagine being able to see a graph of exactly how much you spent on marketing last quarter, or what your biggest recurring costs are. This level of insight allows you to make smarter decisions about where you can cut back and where you should be investing more. Think of it this way: effective expense tracking isn't just about knowing what you've spent. It's about building a clearer picture of your business's financial health. It's about empowering you to budget more effectively, to plan for the future, and to ultimately grow your business with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.